Dear students, in this video I will explain how to solve the linear equations by using the Martin's rule and matrix method. Both are the same. First of all, we write the given equations in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, means the constant terms should be in right hand side, which is given in these three equations. The constant terms 10, 8 and 7 in the right hand side and the variables in the left hand side. Now we form the matrix A, that is the coefficients of x, y and z. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is -2 and there is no z term, therefore the coefficient is 0. In the second equation 2, 1, 3. In the third equation there is no x, so coefficient is 0, -2 and 1. You have to see the sign also. When you write the coefficient, be alert with the given sign. Now the matrix B, only the constant term, that is 10, 8 and 7, and write in the column form. Matrix X, the variable used in the equations x, y and z. This is also in the column form. Now first of all, you will find the modulus of A. Modulus of A means the determinant of value of the determinant of the matrix A. A mod of A is equal to, you will write again 1, -2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, -2 and 1. Then modulus of A 1, 1 plus 6 plus 2, 2 in -0 and plus 0, -4 and -0. This is equal to 7 plus 4 means 11. Is not equal to 0 means inverse of the matrix exists. And if it exists, then it has system has unique solution and consistent Now you will proceed by finding the cofactors of the matrix A, also then the adjoint of A. How to find the cofactors and the adjoint A, you have read in the previous exercises. Then first of all, the adjoint of A is 7, 2, -6, -2, 1, -3, -4, 2, 5. This is the adjoint of A. But you have to find first the cofactors with the proper sign. If any one sign is wrong by mistake, then the whole question you will not get the answer, the solution of the x, y and z. Therefore be cautious when you find the cofactors of matrix A, like A11, A12, A13, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, similarly like this. So there are the 9 elements in the matrix. So you will get the cofactors and then adjoint A. Thereafter you will find the inverse of the matrix A. Inverse, how to find the inverse? By using the formula 1 upon mod A into adjoint A. This is the formula for the inverse of the matrix. You will put 1 upon 11 and then 7, 2, -6, minus 2, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 2 and 5. Don't multiply or divide by, don't multiply 1 upon 11 in the matrix, or no, don't divide by 11, because when you use the formula x is equal to A inverse dot B, then first of all you multiply the matrix into matrix, not the digit which is given outside. Now we have the formula x is equal to A inverse dot B is equal to 1 upon 11, 7 minus 2 minus 4, 2, 1, 2, minus 6, minus 3, 5. Then B matrix 10, 8, 7. Now multiply without multiplying this 1 upon 11. 7 into 10, 70, 16, minus 42, minus 28, minus 21, minus 40, plus 16, plus 35, then 1 upon 11, 44, minus 33 and 11. Now divide by 11. So you will get 4 minus 3, 1. This is equal to matrix X. So now you write the matrix X in the variable form and compare. So you will get the values. X is equal to 4, Y is equal to minus 3 and Z is equal to 1.